I took an impromptu visit to Jakarta last weekend and it turned out to be worth every penny. Initially, I planned to bring a couple of cameras to experiment with new recipes, but I ended up grabbing only one. My bag was already stuffed with travel essentials, so I opted for my current favorite travel camera, which is the Lumix GX1 with the 14mm f.2.5 lens. It was a decision that I was very happy with, as bringing just one camera made things much easier. During the trip, I tried out a few new recipes, including a cinema film emulation recipe, which I quite liked. It was my first attempt at creating a film look recipe for video instead of photos. If you haven't seen them yet, you can check them out. Now let's talk about the recipe I want to share today, the Kodak Ektachrome recipe. As you may know, color slide film like Kodak Ektachrome tends to have a narrower exposure latitude compared to negative films. This means it's less forgiving of exposure errors and extreme contrast situations, which is what you'll get with this recipe. Ektachrome is renowned for its vivid, saturated colors, making it popular among photographers who want bold and vibrant images. It's also known for its sharpness, which contributes to overall clarity and detail. If you love those kinds of images, you'll definitely want to give this recipe a try. Well, as always, without further ado, here is the recipe. Da, 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 da. Set the white balance to auto white balance and adjust the shift to amber 2 and magenta 1, or you can say A2 and M1. In the photo style settings, select vivid for a punchy result. Adjust the contrast to +2, sharpness to +1, saturation to -1, and noise reduction to -2. And lastly, set the eye dynamic to standard. And that's it. You're good to go. If you want more top secret hacks and tricks to transform your ancient cameras into Hollywood superstars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join me on this photographic roller coaster. Until next time, keep snapping and keep it budget time. Au revoir.